Okay. But here's the thing. I have paid for a gym for a whole year, and I have walked inside one time. One?
And that is exactly today's episode. Welcome back to the Real English Podcast. I'm Maya, that's Sam, and we're admitting the money habits we really don't want to admit. So, Sam, be honest with me. When did you last buy something you did not plan to buy?
This morning, I went in for a coffee, and I came out with a coffee, a plant, and a tiny cactus I don't even like.
Sam, that is a perfect impulse buy.
Wait, is that the real name for it? An impulse buy?
All the time. It's the thing you grab before your brain has time to say no. An impulse buy. Something you buy suddenly, without planning it. For example, I only went in for bread, but I made an impulse buy and got a chocolate cake too.
Then my whole life is one big impulse buy. The cactus is judging me from the kitchen right now.
But do you ever regret them? Or do you feel okay about it after?
No, sometimes I regret it, but sometimes it's actually worth it. That plant makes me happy every single morning.
Hold on. Worth it. I love that little phrase. We use it for almost everything.
Every single day. Coffee, worth it. The gym I never use, not worth it.
Worth it. Good or useful enough for the money, time, or effort you gave. For example, the tickets were expensive, but the show was so good. Totally worth it.
For me, the real waste is snacks. I buy them, I forget them at the back of the cupboard, and I throw them out. That's just a waste of money.
Oof, a waste of money. That one stings because it's so true.
Right? Every time I clean out the cupboard, I feel it a little.
A waste of money. Spending on something that gives you nothing back. For example, I paid for a magazine I never opened. What a waste of money. Okay, new topic. And this one makes people argue. You're at dinner with friends, everyone's full, and then the bill arrives.
Oh no! The most stressful moment in any friendship.
So, do you split the bill evenly, or does everyone pay for exactly what they ordered?
I always just say, let's split the bill and move on. But then someone had a steak and 3 drinks, and I had a salad and water.
Split the bill, the phrase that quietly ends friendships.
Every single time, somebody always does the math out loud.
Split the bill, to share the cost of a meal, so each person pays a part. For example, there were 6 of us, so we just split the bill 6 ways.
And the worst part, I'd never say anything. I just smile, pay, and quietly cry on the inside.
Sam, you have to speak up. It's your money.
I know, but I can't afford it, so I tell myself it's fine, and I let it go.
See, I can afford it. That is the exact sentence that empties your wallet.
It really is. I can afford it, is how I've bought everything I regret.
Afford, to have enough money for something. For example, I'd love that jacket, but I can't afford it this month. This is exactly why I try to stick to a budget now. Before I go out, I decide how much I'll spend.
A budget. Wow, look at you, the responsible one.
It's not glamorous, but it works. When I'm on a budget, I actually enjoy dinner more.
Hold on, being on a budget makes dinner more fun? Explain that one.
Honestly, yes. because there's no stress about the bill later. On a budget, every single time now. A budget. A plan for how much money you can spend. When you're on a budget, you're being careful. For example, we're on a budget this year, so we're cooking at home more.
Okay, but the real crime, the money habit I will not admit is subscriptions.
Go on.
Last month, I found a subscription. Some app, I've been paying for it for a whole year. I don't remember signing up, and I don't even know what it does.
No way. A whole year.
A whole year. It just quietly takes my money every month like a tiny, polite thief.
A subscription you completely forgot about. I honestly think everyone has one.
Everyone, it's the most common secret in the world.
A subscription. A regular payment you make to keep using a service, like an app or a magazine. For example, I canceled my music subscription because I never used it. But this is exactly where it matters. If you canceled those, you could save up for something you actually want.
Save up? Me? I once tried to save up for a holiday, and I spent it all on a chair.
A chair?
A very nice chair. Honestly, worth it, but definitely not a holiday.
Save up. The plan we all start on Monday and forget by Friday.
Every Monday, I'm a brand new man. Every Friday, I buy a chair.
Save up. To keep money slowly over time for something in the future. For example, we're saving up to visit my family next winter. You know what I've learned tonight? We don't hide the big money mistakes. We hide the small, silly ones.
Exactly. Nobody's embarrassed about the rent. Everybody's embarrassed about the cactus.
Okay, quick game before we go. I give you the meaning. You give me the phrase. Ready? Something you buy suddenly, without planning it.
Easy. An impulse buy. Basically, my whole personality.
When everyone at dinner pays an equal part.
Split the bill. The quiet friendship destroyer. Okay, my turn for you. Keeping money slowly for something in the future?
Save up! And last one, when something is good enough for what you paid?
Worth it. Like the chair. Still worth it.
Time for the fireside challenge. Here it is. Whose money habit sounds more like yours? My careful budget or Sam's mystery subscriptions? Tell us in one sentence in the comments. And be honest, we promise we won't judge. Much.
Thanks for hanging out by the fire with us. Now go check your subscriptions. Seriously, all of them. See you next time.